Are you guys ready? Don't look at me. Bonjour, bonjour. J'ai essayé qu'on a dit bonjour, bonsoir, ça dépend de l'heure regarder. Good morning guys. Jeudi I'm putting a nouveau video, pardon? So today, jeudi nous pral grocery shopping with me. So, moi pral faire meal prep pour semaine qui vient. And on dit why not pour montrer nous qui ça m'acheter les mal fait maket. So, let's go. Nous marquer un pile bagay. Look at this. Vida. La vida. Okay. Mon pral la gym avant. M'a fait une autre gym là et puis après gym là nous pral faire maquette. On a tout fait celle sauter. But m'pa montrer nous partie gym là parce que pas un gym vidéo m'a fait. Je m'a fait un gym vidéo, m'a fait une vidéo spécifiquement pour gym là. But for now, just prepare him and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys.
Oh shit. Wow.
Outfit check. The ass is assing. Okay, this is better. Outfit check.
She can buy that.
So this is why you want me to bring money?
Yes.
I feel you, but I still don't want to be spending my money.
I don't give a fuck. Spend it.
I don't want to be spending my money in the
This
club when there's
conversation is
wasting
not.
money.
Yeah, nah. That's not wasting. I don't even want somebody to say they had a conversation with you. No, you're not highly enough to even have a conversation.
Heavy on it. Peut-être nous qu'à aller dans... Cause nous besoin salmon.
You can go to the fish market.
Okay, so salmon and then chicken breast. So I will have the ingredient like meat wise, and then rice and pasta. But m'bavle camper, m'bavle aller dans plusieurs stores.
So
2 stores max. It's like a meat store and a grocery store. You get it?
yeah, so we don't have to go to the poultry then. No guys, just on Walmart.
Well, we
Walmart open today. It's Black Friday too. That's another thing.
It's gonna be packed.
Yeah, and then I don't deal with that.
M'bavle aller dans Walmart for some. I'm going to Publix.
Publix don't do Black Friday.
But people in Publix don't do crazy. And then I don't think it's gonna be
I've
crazy.
never been there on Black Friday though.
I've never been there.
Okay, can I speak on that?
But we gotta go somewhere.
Who can do your
Instacart?
Instacart?
I don't wanna do Instacart. The whole vlog is too.
Oh my bad. I forgot if you even do it. Like shit. My bad.
The whole point is to come do
My
groceries
bad.
with
I
me.
thought it was a
On a
normal
fait maquette
thing.
avec. You know, c'est pas ça m'a fait Instacart.
Yeah.
That get over there online, not that. But I want to get the experience of shopping. It's giving natural beauty.
So fucking conceited.
I'm not conceited, babe. Like, look, like literally, that's God creation. Like, God did this by himself.
What are the rest? What are the great?
I don't know. I think he had these in comment les moun qui interns. Moun qui travaille avec lui, bah il fait l'autre moun. Et puis bon, j'ai fait ma mail, propre mail. I'm joking. We all made by God.
No, you're not. You say that shit all the time.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay guys, mwen fini ak jem na. Konya, mwen pa ale nan store la. Pou nou al fe grocery shopping na. Oh, why is so late, but the lighting is so cute. I ain't no kid up, wanna push me, baby. Driving. Make sure I get. Oh, did I get host food? Hold on. Getting a video real quick. It doesn't want to get.
Beginning.
Like Christmas. Everywhere you go. Know the guy's name? I wasn't even born. It's beginning to look a lot. But I know him. Okay, now I love Jen, papi. Because you know we need salmon. Saumon. Who the fuck says salmon? My Haitian ass. Rosemary? Oh, you're gonna do steak too?
No, that's 10. Ooh, I need those. Yes, stay just like that.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans ça?
Escucha comme ça. Je te mets the steak.
Oh my gosh. Okay, balai ça pour moi bien pour.
Oh, I'm eating my food today.
Ah! Moi, on les n'achète bagay pas, monsieur a ce bagay pas la quoi. What is going on? It's pas que mon qui j'aime manger la cara, that's wasting money.
I do eat them.
No, you don't.
Actually.
Now, well, not store outlet.
Offering you some?
Whatever.
Remember?
Okay, and I love yan. Kashima? That's not Kashima. What the heck? I would like to get some salmon, please. Is there a difference between this one and the other one? I mean, there is a difference. What's the difference? I'll get this one instead. Yeah. You must cover. I'll just take one big piece.
You want one whole fillet?
Yes. Merci.
You want those?
The one with the azoa?
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah. Oh, you want more?
I'm asking you, Bobby. I'm just asking you. And then I'll get just one of the salmon steak with the bone. Just one piece. Thank you. Oh. Bébé, make crab. Comment il est mangé de faire encore? I forgot the name of the thing. Ah, by drosala.
Oh, okay.
Gumbo, yes. Got a shot oui. Glow at the side, but the good. Squid. Okay. And I was having besoin poule, chicken breast. It's a besoin steak, so I was chanter steak or whatever. Okay, bon pour faire list chicken, salmon, ça me besoin encore. Salmon, rice, juice, citron. What else do we need at home? Snacks.
Okay. thing is when you go somewhere, the thing they sell most expensive is the one that says the meat, like grass fed and stuff like that. In Haiti, that's all they fucking eat.
What are you talking about? Like
the meat when they say organic, grass fed. Bitch, what the fuck are you eating them besides that?
okay, but the thing is when they see you're about picky. So in Haiti it's what they know. They don't know the
So everything we do over there is luxury. Just not know it.
I'm dead. You just want to justify. Never stop at Haiti. You just want to make it all nice.
No, but it's not me making it all nice. So we see by long since they put it on your egg. It's not supposed to manger.
You're about picky food, not the meat.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about eating biological, organic, grass fed.
Okay, milk, pocket milk.
Right here.
That way.
Salty.
Megalo oba on your right. And get a small chocolate one for the kids. Baby's a low fat, no me business. Yes, la calawi, but milk.
Salted.
We have unsalted butter.
We do?
Unless we can peel. What should need the butter for?
Mustard.
Mayola.
Give me unsalted butter.
Ching, 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 ching. And I'm besides we need the green stuff. We need like broccoli, pasta. Yeah. Pasta. Okay. Vamos go que estamos no commercial. Safari. ¿Qué pisa cara? What's got that calling me? I mean, what's that? You want? What?
Huh?
Hello? I'm not home. I'm at the store right now. You wanna call his iPad?
Just move it when you get home. When you get home, it's like that.
Okay. Why am I y'all receptionist?
No?
How about you, Larry? Oh, good morning. Where's Ilasha? First of all, okay, we have shrimp at home.
Okay.
Huh? Okay, moi moun yo manje dubi, salmon, which can get the blanc, I'll get my pasta, I need macaroni, I need green. Okay. You bought Camus too?
Yes. My favorite wine. As of right now.
Camus is your favorite, not Prison?
Prison is my cheap favorite wine, but it's not cheap.
How is it cheap? It's $50.
My favorite wine costs about $500 at the store.
Don't you pee it out just like everybody else?
Yeah, then why am I talking to you? What's up, Tom? Why do I even try to explain to you?
Okay. Why are you talking about that? Let's not talk about that right now.
Did you bring your jacket?
Yes.
What happened to it?
But you were gonna leave it in the car. on sale. I'm debating if I should make cornbread. Why not? Why not? Okay, pasta. I need macaroni, not spaghetti. This is good. Oh, should I get the TPT? Because this thing is too big. Let's have bouillie. I've been here flavor. What the heck? There's only one left. Okay, I'll take a fat one and a skinny one. And I love greens here.
Green, potato, tomato. Chicken. You name it.
Banana. Special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. That's my life story, yeah. Okay, let me stop. Okay, Melisla. Okay, jus, snacks, potatoes. Okay, we're getting some broccoli. Wow. Babe, can you get the card, please? Did he leave me? Oh my gosh. Okay. Mwen kwen ke mwen fini. Reste la, m'a acheté la INSTACART. Christmas party. Let's get it
You
wrong.
want to do it yourself?
No. Oh, you know what I didn't get? The meal prep bowl, but I'm actually online. Saya ba meal prep bowl, bye bye. Come royal. Huh?
Don't give up the
Yeah, these are not meal prep bowls there. Is that another one?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, exchange potatoes. Walking around Christmas tree and Christmas party. But thanks for the combo. Oh my gosh, I'll just get these. This one. So cute. Sorry. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, for the win. Crazy. You haven't teleported this year? Way. The ghetto. Move, nigga. Bon put ça. And then you carry the thing. Grocery shopping. No? Like, no, look, boy. This man don't even know where our car are. I see it. Oh, so si mde kon Tesla, mbra fatout mize sa yo. Tesla tap vin prom devan store. Real princess treatment type of shit. You have the key or I have the key?
¿Qué pasó?
I'm gonna put you on blast. So what makes you think that's okay? Perfect. Ching ching ching. For my shakes. Okay, so so by the time I arrive at Kai, somebody there up you'll get to arrive at Kai. Is done, so I can show you guys. Normalement, quand je fais grocery shopping, je toujours fais online et puis côté. But since je vais faire un bel petit vlog, you know, mal fait physiquement. On connaît fait maket tout, but rarement like si maison bagay, y a porte top au côté ou bien, you know, si on la rime pour bagay. But normalement, like typiquement, is that a word? Normalement, I usually do it online.
You said it's a word.
So that be attitude. C'est online with it, but you know, c'est INSTACART. Et puis majorité bah moi toujours like yo toujours comme si yo gon liste bah m'habitude à acheter, so me just ajouter pap and then boom. So but acheter tout bagay dans store ça parce que store ça va tout bagay like Publix, Walmart, Target et puis m'ba aller marcher dans tout store. So dans le bois plus pour ça maintenant chicken like they have the best products because it's organic, it's whole food or whatever. But my acheter still on Publix. So yeah. Okay. So buy it again list. How much bagay pour l'argent? So yogurt, baby yogurt, Capri Sun, croissant, l'eau. Ouais, tout là, just cliquez ploup. On va acheter coco et moi, c'est coco et là, on va acheter coco quand même. Jus grenadien, on va acheter 3. Mon la a tellement bon jus, non? Faut m'acheter pédiasure parce qu'il est déjà malade et il pas voulu manger. So, pédiasure is the way to go. Okay, on va acheter 2 packs of pédiasure. But yeah, my fin order yo, voy la cala, and when I'm home, we're gonna fix the fridge, organize the fridge there together. Okay, so my fin order fait online order. Bon montrer nous qui ça m'a acheté Timon. Moi acheté Malta cake ça va pour moi. Assiette pour me faire meal prep, gingembre pour me faire thé, bread, Gatorade, crackers, snacks, fruits pour me faire smoothie, avoine, lait pour l'argent, jus, cocoa, de l'eau, Capri Sun, yogurt, and then my favorite thing, snack. Do you feel weird? You feel a little weird?
Yeah, for you.
How is it weird for me? It's giving content.
That is.
I don't feel weird. I feel weird that you feel it's weird. Kids up, photo. Okay, that's it. Okay, Timon. So. Okay, so moi mettez toute maquette. Bien stop. Moi mettez toute maquette là pour nous arranger yo. Mettez dans frigidaire. Okay? So, let's get started. Hey! Ma parole beaucoup mon nom. Eh? Acheter l'autre bagage. Okay, before women, ma contre men non autres. Okay, before là ça. Et là, il move. Esse Hey. Yeah. Ew. Nak kita pay mun? Nak mengajar dulu. Ang wala dyan. Ang wala dyan. Nakni ba kasi lang? Hindi ko sulit. Perfect. Okay, Marta. Oi. Ya, quase, acho assim. Lagi muito sal, tino. Ako meter, please? Ako meter? Okay. Ito tayo ya, ya. Okay. Tem mais que agora. Eu vou dar aqui. Até o dia? Oh. Okay. Ouais, chaud. Maintenant, ça se double la femme longtemps. Je vais attendre. Cracher. Il va ravaler, le film cracher. Oh, ouais. pas aggravé? Oh, aggravé. Wait. Kan ba ito wali man yan? Alam nga ba naman yan? No.
Ako na lang. Si soda.
Yeah. Mettez avec les tomates, s'il vous plaît. Ça léché. On met le pot.
Là-dedans, on va léger.
Oui. Si vous voulez faire un gelati, vous allez me mettre là. Ou, vous pouvez décider ça pour manger. La faire manger. Mettez le tout. Yes, 7 jours.
Quoi ça?
Non, c'est ma kébé. Ah oui.
Après, tu vas faire
But, pas le temps de faire le tout bon. Moi, c'est la fin.
Mưa năm nay hàng phở. Đấy gần bà ta.
Đây là.
Bây giờ là
Muốn số thì West Palm.
Ari kamu kamar di sana kan? Ari kamu kamar di sana.
Yo mazo café de tomate là et puis fruits sous bas. Puis là en dessous de. C'est quoi mon oui. Non, sous du fait. Bon là moi non fait. On a pour video fix my pantry. But for that for yeah. Déjà on a pas de dehors avec.
Oui. Mais tu peux te le faire.
Elle là. Quoi ça? Mais quoi ça là?
Oui.
Okay, so are you guys ready? Don't look at me, go. Okay, here's the final results.
You want me to go where? I live here.
Don't look at me. What film shot? Okay, you guys, let me give you a close-up. Okay, I have pima, mushrooms, kalalu, fruits, heavy cream, pouche fla, jus. No matter what jus so, but okay, someone vina, épices, beurre, cream cheese. No, what is that again? Biometrics will be go. Pickles, yogurt for the kids, Gatorade, some eggs, size pass from cafe meal prep mwen, Malta poulet. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And then this I'm gonna get this for chick pager shirt for Eli, well, for the kids. And then we have some stuff here, quelque chose here, citron, and then we have some broccoli and tomate, et puis bagay épices, whatever extra stuff yo, là. Cheese, beurre, cocoa, extra stuff, and then l'eau extra, et puis lait, nous bois un peu de lait. Ça a été divin ici, tout le monde. Nous comptons divin ça que qu'on a ici. Marcher pour me essayer. Et then un petit pocket là, on touche mettre fromage la vache. Et là j'ai un correct. Ça va tellement manger, but it's just ice cream, pois, and then ça be bon, and then extra stuff. Go take one by glass here aussi. Les autres. Quand tu dois aller en grand femme, ou bien plusieurs fridges. So we have another fridge in the garage. Garage là paraît crazy kunya, so not gonna show it. So ça c'est quelques bagages qui bagay espace pour yo, like bagay m'ba l'utiliser pour meal prep là, viande, saumon. So m'a mettre là plutôt. So ça sont pile pois, shrimp, viande. Nous connaissons chef la faire pour manger. Oh bagay steak là, OK, il va faire steak, m'a bal ça. Oxtail, whatever, extra stuff. Et puis de ce côté, bien bouti monsieur. Et puis nous toujours mettez sur notre deuxième frigidaire, nous toujours mettez manger, like là nous fait un peu manger, nous mettons dans bol, mettons dans frigidaire ça parce que le frigidaire pas tellement d'espace pour lui. So, si espace pour mettre dans frigidaire, premier frigidaire pour me faire manger, me mettre dans bol pour me manger chaque jour. They're gonna be more belle parce que je mets dans un bol spécifique so you can devant. L'autre manger par exemple gros chose manger bien gros bol manger, je mets là. So yeah. Anyways, I'm montrer a sneak peek. Can I show them? I'm gonna show them a sneak peek of you cooking. Making steak. He look homeless. So you need a haircut. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this vlog. Let me know because I know passe na commentaire. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and na pour encore un autre video. Bye. You just wanna be seen so bad.